Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening VLC and playing a file so you can hear changes in real time. Once the file is playing, go straight to Tools, pick Effects and Filters. This opens a dialog with audio options. Make sure the Audio Effects tab is visible, then choose the Equalizer subtab to reveal frequency sliders. You do this now to enable live adjustments. Hearing the output while you tweak helps you judge each band's impact immediately rather than guessing later. Begin adjusting the 10 frequency sliders to shape bass, mids, and treble. Small moves matter, so nudge by 1-3 dB and listen. Once done, test a preset like rock or vocal to understand typical curves. Presets give quick reference points. Make focus changes, raise low bands for warmth, attenuate harsh mids for clarity. If you craft a setting you like, use the preset drop-down and save preset so you can recall it later. That saves time and ensures consistency across tracks. With adjustments dialed in, close the dialog and listen through several tracks to confirm the equalization works across material. If you don't hear differences, make sure the Audio Effects checkbox is enabled. Sometimes the UI opens but the effect is inactive. If audio sounds worse, reset to flat or choose the default preset and start again with lighter boosts. As a quick troubleshooting tip, check system output and VLC audio device settings. Mismatched output can mute equalizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.